Does it say record? Okay. Hi, I'm Sharon. I'm with the Metal Arts Meetup, and I'm going to do a little demonstration on how to cut with the oxy-acetylene torch. So put my number 5 goggles on, and first thing I'm going to do is turn on my acetylene, and then I feather it out, and then add in my oxygen until I get a tip about like that. So your cone should look about like that. So what I'm going to do, I kind of already marked it here on the metal of the places that I want to cut. And so the first thing you're going to do when you cut is you get your metal hot. And when it starts getting molten, then you can press your oxygen lever, which is this lever right here. Press that in, and that'll cut it. So you get it molten, then press your oxygen, and it'll cut. So start over again. You get your metal molten and then press your oxygen lever. And you have to have a real steady hand. Not go too slow or too fast. And you use your pliers because your metal is going to be very hot. And you start on your next line. Get the metal molten, and you press your oxygen lever, and you just hold it steady.